Hello traders. In this video, I will share my Bank Nifty analysis for all, with all important levels for 2nd March 2021. So let's see how, Bank Nifty index did today. So this was today's trading session, 1st March. So today we had a wide CPR. Now, why today we had a wide CPR? Because on last Friday, you can see we got a strong down rally. So today it was a very good day to go for short straddle on the day of wide CPR. Now, when it comes to 2nd March, these two levels are very important. Okay, today's day high and today's day low. 35,581 is the today's day high and 34,983 is the today's day low in Bank Nifty index. Okay, this is the spot price graph, not futures price graph. So on 2nd March, okay, tomorrow, I am expecting once Bank Nifty cross today's day high 35,581. If this level is taken out, I am expecting Bank Nifty can test Friday high. What was the high made by Bank Nifty on Friday? 35,902. So this level can be expected if today's high is taken out. On downside, you can see today's day low was 34,983. If this level is taken out, I'm expecting Bank Nifty to retest Friday trading session low, which is 34,658. So once Bank Nifty cross 35,581, you can look for buying opportunity in 35,600 call option. In the same way, if Bank Nifty break 34,983 low, you can look for buying opportunity in 35,000 put option. So let's see how index is reacting tomorrow uh, based on these levels. Let me show you Bank Nifty graph on daily time frame. So when you add Bollinger Band, you will uh, get graph like this. You can clearly see what is happening. Bank Nifty is actually trading below 20 simple moving average. Okay, this is the middle band. So middle band is now, can work like resistance as price is trading uh, below middle band. So this clearly indicates on higher side we have resistance. So middle band and Friday trading session high, they are both very close to each other. Now let me show you open interest data and see uh, what is the support and resistance as per open interest concept. Okay, this is the option chain for Bank Nifty. So as per this option chain, this is the put side data. You can see we have a highest open interest in 34,500 strike. Okay, 6,62,500 contracts are active and 3,15,550 are added today itself. So 34,500 can work like support. This is as per today's data. Now let's move on call side. On call side, you can see what is happening. 36,000 strike is having highest open interest. So round off number 36,000, 9,32,650 total open interest. Change in open interest today 1,03,200 contracts are added. And what happened today? As this was, today was positive day for Bank Nifty. 35,000 strike unwinding 74,400. So participants shift their position to 35,400 strike. You can see 63,800 contracts added today itself. And highest change in open interest, you can notice it is happening in 35,500 strike. So this can, work like resistance. So what should be your strategy for coming expiry? So as of now, by looking at this option chain data, 35,500, 36,000, both levels are looking like a strong resistance. And look at the levels which I have given you on in this slide. So Once 35,581 is crossed, I'm expecting it can test 35,902, which is again close to 36,000. So with open interest, you can also confirm 36,000 is looking like a strong resistance. So you can sell, far OTM strikes on call side. So let me show you which strike you can select. The more far out the money you will go, more safe trade you will get for 4th March expiry. So as of now, by looking at this data, 36,000 strike is having open interest of 9,32,650. Look at what is happening in 37,000 strike. Actually, highest open interest is in 37,000 strike, 9,44,625. And look at the premium, 69 points premium is left. This is as per today's closing. So you may not get same premium tomorrow morning. So we need to check what is the premium of 37,000 strike. So you can sell any strike from uh, 36,500 to 37,000 for this expiry. You can sell tomorrow itself and hedge this position by buying far OTM or deep OTM strike to get margin benefit. So this can be your strategy in Bank Nifty. So 36,000 is looking like a strong resistance because Friday high is very close to 36,000. Bollinger Band 20 simple moving average is also very close to 36,000. So to be on safer side, what you can do, you can sell any strike between 36,500 to 37,000. You will get, very good premium. You can clearly see due to high VIX, uh, very high amount of premiums are left. So see tomorrow morning how index is reacting and how much premiums you are getting for strikes between 36,500 to 37,000. You can sell any strike and hedge with by buying far OTM strike to get margin benefit.